What's going on, everyone? So in this really fucking stupid argument that all of us seem to be involved in, Neil deGrasse Tyson talking about the Felix Baumgartner Red Bull jump seems to come up often, and both sides of the argument seem to misquote stuff. So I'm just supplying the video here so that everybody has access to an unclipped, unaltered video of Neil deGrasse Tyson talking about the Red Bull jump.
The International Space Station will be orbiting about a half an inch above the surface. And that dude who jumped out of a perfectly good balloon, what's his name? Felix Baumgartner, he would have been about 2 millimeters above the surface of this globe. That's his edge of space jump. Now, you know, I don't, it's fine. He wants to, I don't have a problem if he does it, but the honesty of it would greatly diminish what I think people thought he was actually doing. And not only that, they made sure to photograph him standing there with a really wide-angle lens, which curves horizontal lines. Right. So in the photo, you see this curvature of Earth's surface, and he said, wow, he's in space, look at that. No, he's not. At that height, you don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat. And then I showed examples of wide-angle lenses curving horizontal. I tweeted that.
You did.
But I don't want to be a spoiled, you know, curmudgeon or anything. I just wanted to put, there's so much to actually be impressed with in the universe. Mm-hmm. I don't want you to be distracted by things that are not. That's all I'm trying to say.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I hold it?
You can hold it.
Can I hold her?
Thank you so much. I find that extraordinary. I mean, we have this sense of what we think space and the size of the moon and the size of Mars is, but until you see it, until, as Neil so kindly illustrates it for us, you need to see these abstractions and you need to have them clear so that we can then understand, okay, if we have not necessarily gone out into deep space, I do want to talk, just before we go to questions for the audience, a little bit about space exploration. When are we going to go? Will it just be governments that are going to take us there? Will it be an international collaboration? Is the fact that Jade Rabbit on the moon in China, is that even something that we should remotely think about or care about? What about the privatization and commercialization of space exploration?
That's 17 questions
right
there. Okay.
I know, but I was like, I know.
So just a couple of things,
so
since I'm holding Earth here. One reason why we should go into space is because you know the dinosaurs would have if they could have.